Okay, welcome to the course on Advanced Web Design. My name is John Rowley, and I just want to give you an overview of the course before we begin. Obviously, we're going to cover some HTML, we're going to cover CSS, and we're going to cover JavaScript. What exactly does that mean? We're going to look at HTML. We're going to start off with a basic review. Just make sure you know the basics of how you put some HTML together. Then we're going to show you how you link external style sheets and external JavaScript files. We move on to CSS and we show you the basics of the attributes, how you color things, how you put borders and so forth. You move on from that and you learn how to target the elements in your document using class, ID and tags. What does that mean? It means you can move away from table-based layouts and do div-based layouts. That's what people look for today. If you want to do a government project, you're going to have a div-based layout. It allows you to do CSS menus. It allows you to create and center your pages. It allows you to come across concepts known as floating layouts. Ultimately then, we move on to form design. And we show you how to use style sheets to target different types of media. How do you write a style sheet to target a print page? How do you target it to target a TV or a small media screen like a BlackBerry or something like that? We move on to JavaScript and we deal with the language. We cover things like the program flow and the data structures. And what makes us different to most other courses is we introduce you to jQuery, which is a JavaScript framework. What does this mean? It means that you learn the basics of JavaScript and then you take this library and it makes it very easy to interact with your form. What can you do with it? Well, very simple things like form validation, making sure you don't submit a form until somebody has entered the proper data into the fields. jQuery makes that very, very easy. Moving on from jQuery then, we show you how to do things.